Have you ever looked up at the sky or down into the ocean and wondered what secrets are hidden there? Imagine flying high above the clouds or exploring the depths of the sea. What if I told you that machines are making these journeys possible right now? Welcome to Aeroter Academy. This is your go-to place for learning everything about drones. Here we dive into the science, the technology, and the sheer excitement behind drone explorations. Whether you are a beginner looking to understand the basics or someone who loves the tech, we have something for you. As we continue this journey together, we will explore many exciting topics from building your own drone to understanding how drones are used in various industries. Stay tuned. So what questions do you have about drones? Let us know in the comments below. We love to hear from you and look forward to address your curiosity. If you enjoyed this introduction to Aeroter Academy, don't forget to give us a like and remember to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss our future content. Share this channel with your friends who are also curious about drones. Thanks for watching and check the channel for more exciting content on drones and technology.